Look. Hi.
Why did it stop? Why did it stop?
Now we're stuck here forever.
Yeah, I didn't want to go on this ride. Maybe had to.
You made me had to?
We're stuck here. You made me had to.
You made me had to.
You made me have to go on this ride.
No, that's not right.
Yeah. That's right, guys. I can't sit here by myself.
Girlfriend.
Where? Oh my god.
Sebastian.
This is gonna pump your belly up to go pee.
Let's see if we can.
There he is.
There's Daddy and Sophie. Hi, guys.
I can see them. Why is everything stopping?
Because other people are getting on.
Yeah, we have to do this every second.
Sophie. There they are. Where are they?
I'm going to be doing that one, Mommy.
Yeah, we'll make our way back there.
Oh, do not go.
Oh, yeah, those things. Oh, the geese are angry.
Don't stop right here.
Yeah, we do not want to stop by the geese.
Stop. We're going to stop where that is. We're going to stop. Hi.
Hi, guys. Hi.
We're going to stop right near the tree.
Oh, and the pretty waterfall. Remember this? Ooh, there's more geese.
Uh-oh, do not talk.
Ooh.
You're getting closer. What's happening to babies? All of those are having babies.
You think so?
Yeah. It's
Freaky.
big as big.
Yep.
Bye! They're up there.
They're there.
Wait, they're gonna see us.
I see you. Hi, honey. I see you.
You can literally stop like any minute. I just spit.
Sebastian.
Are we stopping? Yeah, stopping.
I don't know.